Kondo saan yan? Maki! Maki! Oh, likot! Likot, likot! Wala, sige, mahulog ka.
Sabi ni Ogie, he felt na hindi pang greatest performance yung choice of song mo. But
Hulog, hulog.
you wowed him with your performance.
Oh, akyat.
That you really did it. Sabi ni
Sugod, mga kapatid!
Ang ganda ng boses mo. Ang kulang na lang, gawin mo pang mas sexy yung galaw mo. Winger
Singing
said,
contest ba yan?
nararamdaman mo yung song, and you did it well.
Mukha, oh.
And Sid,
Ah.
your
Ah.
idol journey and life.
Tulog ka. Maski.
It doesn't fit everyone. Sometimes you have to cut the show in order for you to fit the show. Mahirap. At the same time, it's fulfilling. I think I do a lot as a performer. Ngayon,
Bye-bye. Maski, bye-bye.
first of all,
Bye-bye.
the support. Tapos
Yun,
I
no?
want to thank you lahat ng kaibigan ko, high school friends ko,
What?
kasi kayo yung walang tigil
Ah.
campaign para
Ah.
sa akin. Sobrang thank you because you spend your time or your money for me. Yan yung nag-start ako.
Ano ginagawa ko? Wala. Hala.
Mga kapuso, last turn of the idol stage. Give it up for Kid Kamaya!
Ano na? Ah. Tadadad, tadad. Aray.
Lalaglag niya ako.
Akin na nga. Akin na lang. As the music is